So let's start Anaconda in our system. Just type anaconda.com and you will get this kind of link here, anaconda.com. Click on it. Okay. You can straightforward click on download. If you are not getting this icon, then you can just go on products or the pricing. Okay. From here, you can click on get started with the free version. Okay. Or any of them you want to access. Okay. So, but for now, I'm just going to use this icon, download it because my system is Windows actually. If your system is Mac or Linux, you can click on this links. Okay. Now, the next thing is it will take some time to install. It totally depends on your internet speed. Also, Anaconda is just a collection of softwares where we can get multiples of softwares in it for Python programming, for R programming, for data visualization, data analysis purpose, and so on. Okay, so it totally depends on you. Whatever you want to install, you can just particularly install that particular software over there. Okay, so for now we are going to install Jupyter notebook, that which we are going to use for machine learning programming actually, for Python programming actually, by using Python programming. Okay, so we are going to install Jupyter notebook. Then you can see my installation is done, so let me double click on it. After that, it will take some time because it is just going to get some values here, like you need to install it or you want to install it from the application store and so on. Because my system is Windows, so I'm installing it anyway. Just click on next and you are good to go. So I agree the license, just me, the default setting I'm going to use. Next, if Python is installed in your system, then you can skip this part. But if Python is also not installed in your system, you can click on it. Okay, otherwise you need to uh, set the path just like Java. Okay, but because Python is installed in my system, I'm not going to click on this checkbox. Again, I'm repeating, if Python is not installed in your system, you need to click on it. Okay, now install. Again, it will take some time, just wait for it. If you want to show the details also, you can click on it and you can see the details. It will take 1 to 2 minutes, or it totally depends on your system. So it is done. Now let's click on next and finish. And that's it. Now let's open our Anaconda from the search box. So just click on Anaconda and you can see navigator. So it will take some time to open. Okay. Just wait for it. So you can see it is loading. It is loading the applications now. And here you can see this is the environment of Anaconda. Okay, you can see here we have data spell, command prompt, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook and all, R Studio, PyCharm Professional and so on. So, okay, some of them for R programming. Then you can see we have Visual Studio also, Data Log also. Okay, now whatever you want to install, you can just click on this install button and you can see some of the products are already installed in my system. So I just need to click on launch here. Okay. Now, suppose because if I want to access Jupyter Notebook, at first, if this is not installed in your system, you need to click on install and then you will get this kind of launch button. So just click on it. Okay. And now, and you can see this is how it looks alike. Okay. To open one of the file of Jupyter Notebook, just click on new and Python. If you want to open a Python file, let me show you how it looks alike. So this is how it looks alike. Now, from here you can see here you can write your Python code. So let me write here print Python. To run this code, you just need to click on run button, or you can click shift plus tab also, shift plus enter also. Okay. Now, if you want to add multiples of the shell here, you can click on this plus icon. If you want to remove some of the shell, you can click on this Caesar icon and so on. Okay. So it totally depends. So if you want to put some heading here, suppose I want to put heading. Suppose I'm using a my heading here. Okay. You just need to click on code, heading. Okay. And just press run or shift plus enter. Okay. So I'm going to click on see. So this is how it looks like heading. Okay. It totally depends on you what you want to do here. Okay. Now the same. So this is the environment. Suppose I want to create a folder or terminal or text file, that also you can create here. So you can see. So it depends what you want to create. Okay. So that is a text file and so on. Whatever you want to create, you can do this. So this is your Jupyter notebook file. Okay. You can use it as a .ipynb file also, where you can program all your machine learning programs. Okay. So I hope that is understandable by each and everyone, understood by each and everyone. Now just install it, and if you're having any query, then you can just write it in the comment box. Okay. Thank you so much.